Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can print a web page in Safari on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Next, navigate to the website or the web page that you want to print. And then at the bottom in the navigation bar, tap on the Share button. From the pop-up menu, tap on the Print button. Next, in here, select a printer. So tap on Printer at the top and select a printer. If you do not have a printer to select in here, that means your iPhone hasn't been set up with a printer. So you need to go to the App Store and download your printer brand. So download an app that is associated with the brand of your printer and install it. After that, you can tap on the printer and then you can choose how many copies do you want. You can choose which page to print and whether you want to print it in black and white or in color, whether you want to print it double-sided or single-sided, and other settings you can go through here. After that, just simply tap on the Print button to send out the print command to the printer. And you can hear my printer is now printing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.